Hey y'all, hope all is well. It's a sunny day out here in Carolina. A little chilly, but you know, hey, it ain't nothing we can't manage right now. Anyway, I figured I'd do a quick van tour just in case anybody was curious to see what it looks like in there except for my face and the stove, you know what I mean? Anyway, we're gonna start on the outside. A 97 E150 Econoline. I got the Christmas lights on there and I got the solar panels up top. Light bar, you know, basic necessities on a van. Anyway, here's what it looks like inside. You come in, I've replaced the passenger seat with a recliner several years ago, and I've got the Iceco VL65 in here unplugged in today, and it's been cold enough to where it stays cold without running as much. Had to plug up a battery. But then we got the bed, and over here on this counter, which is a little cluttered at the moment, got the coffee maker, a toaster oven, a 2-burner stove, and behind that TV is a microwave. Everybody needs a back scratcher in their van, even if it's just to move stuff around. Anyway, and for entertainment, I got the TV and I got a computer. Under here's a mess, but you know, a subwoofer, 3,000 watt inverter right here. That's what runs all my cooking stuff. I mean, nice little spice rack, all kinds of flavors in there. I roll my clothes up and stick them up top. Oops. Love my cabinet. It's stuffed, which can be counted as a blessing. Better get that out of the trash can before I forget. And yeah, I know people have mentioned the heater being right in front of the fridge, but it don't really matter because I scooch it out and have it out a little bit. And the fridge being behind it, the heat's going forward away from the fridge, so it doesn't really matter. Plus, I've got a fan up here to help circulate the air, the warm air that's rising from the heater to the back. Anyway, around the side of the van a little bit. There's my YouTube on the winder. Out to the back. Yep. The cluttered bucket with everything. There's a diesel heater that was a complete piece of crap since I got it. Never worked from new. Tried it again and what a surprise. Same difference. Anyway, under here you can see the 3,000 watt inverter. Next to that I got a little 175 watt. That one runs the TV and the Christmas lights. And then next to that I got one of Rich Solar's 40 amp charge controllers behind that shelf, which is where I put my dishes. I got a DC to DC charger, a fuse panel, and a jungle of wires. This battery runs the big inverter for the appliances, and this battery runs a 12-volt fuse panel for everything else. That is my mess. Anyway, just figured I'd do a quick video showing y'all the van. I hope all is well. Happy trails.